Today, we're taking a closer look at FINELO, a trading education platform that's gaining attention for its comprehensive courses and AI-powered tools. Designed for both beginners and experienced traders, FINELO offers interactive courses, a trading simulator, and an AI chart analyzer that helps users identify market trends with ease. Many users appreciate its content, especially those who struggle with traditional learning methods, as it simplifies complex trading concepts. However, there are a few points to be cautious about. Some users report unexpected charges, unclear subscription terms, and inconsistent customer support. While these issues can be frustrating, they do not mean the platform is a scam. FINELO is legitimate and provides valuable educational resources. The key is to stay mindful of billing practices and reach out to support if needed. A user of FINELO shares that the platform helped them approach trading logically without letting emotions interfere. Keeping a daily trading diary of profits and losses proved extremely helpful, and the clear, simple explanations made the learning process much easier. In conclusion, FINELO is a solid tool for learning trading and improving strategy, but careful attention to subscriptions and fees is essential for a smooth experience. If you're serious about improving your trading skills, it's worth exploring, but always stay informed.